Those who love Allah, Allah uses them and employs them for good work on earth. Sometimes some people call you and they need your help, and you answer them. You know that? Allah has sent them to you. Allah has chosen you. You know when you're tired and you go out and do an act of goodness, Allah has chosen you. The fact that you have the ability to do that, Allah has chosen you. If Allah loves someone, He will use them. He will send those people to you when you least expect it. You are special. And mark my words, any good you do to others, it'll come back. Double, triple, quadruple folds, in ways you least expect it.